Ready for racing. Racing just started with April style breakaway clear start. Moving upon the outside, Royal Choice, Price Dancer. In between horses, Safeguard, Royal Pain. And Fortune is the early trailer by about 6 lengths. Up the little band going along for the first turn with April style, Borling and Hap, Royal Choice in second, moving up Safeguard. In between horses comes Price Dancer. The next on line is Pain and Fortune. Half mile distance, they travel with April style by about 3/4 length lead. Safeguard in second, Price Dancer, Royal Choice, while Fame and Fortune still racing in less. And for turn with April style, Borling and Hap, Safeguard, Royal Choice. Now moving up on the outside, Price Dancer in between horses, and along with that Fame and Fortune, who still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. April style, Borling and Hap, Safeguard is done on the inside, Royal Choice is on the outside, Price Dancer last 100 meters with April style, Safeguard, Royal Choice is on the outside, and finally it's April style, Safeguard, Royal Choice, Price Dancer.
Número 2, April Style, unofficial winner dito sa race number 6. Na segundo, número 1, Safeguard, then the 4-horse Royal Choice. Daily doubles, inabot ng 600.